Welcome back and thank you for clicking, guys. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Lillian. So guys, you do not know that Accra has a twin brother or sister. Accra has a twin city, and that is exactly what this video is about. Even though this video was never intended to be, I never planned this video, but this video just happened to be, and because it has presented itself, let us do this. But before we go further into this video, don't forget to hit the subscription button. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and of course, if you subscribe, turn on the bell and put it on the one that says all, so that anytime I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you. So guys, by the way, let me introduce you to another YouTuber. Her name is Blue Beatrice Achibong. So you can head to her channel to see. She have a version of something like this on her own channel, though her own is entirely different from mine. So you understand, you watch this, you watch that, you're still gonna love it. So let's talk about this video, guys. I heard about the rail stations in Ghana, like the trains, the railways in Ghana, and I heard that they started working again because I think they went on break due to COVID or something. I'm not very sure why they went on break. So for 2 years now, they have not operated, for 2 years. So I heard that they started working again. I've seen a couple of YouTube videos on that, and I said, okay, I love this experience. It's one of the things I wanted to do. So I wanted to take the train from here to Takoradi. So but on getting to the station here at Tema, the rail station here at Accra, so I was told that they do not go to Takoradi for now. And I was like, okay, cool. They go to Tema from Accra. So I'm going to be taking the train from Accra to Tema. But I was told it's going to be later, much later in the evening. And nothing beats that early morning experience of riding a train. So I said, okay, the best thing for us to do, since I have a like-minded colleague of mine, like Blue Beatrice, who is also a YouTuber, we concluded that we're going to go to Tema, lodge in a hotel, explore the city of Tema, and then the following day we're going to use the train and come back to Accra and then go to our houses from there. I think that's a cool idea. So guys, we're done with Accra. We decided to eat breakfast because we left our houses very early. So right now we are at Community 1 in Tema. We're told that the terminal here in Tema is at Community 1. So we had to ask around, and then they directed us. We had to get a car and then look for a hotel for us to be able to sleep, pass the night, and also for us to be able to explore the city of Tema. Because trust me, if you have been to Tema before, you can attest to the fact that Tema is a very beautiful city. It's one place that you should visit if you are a tourist. Another thing is, right now, if you want to build a house around Tema, it is highly recommended. You don't have anything to worry about traffic. If you want to come to the city of Accra, you just go to the rail station and take the train down to Accra, and then from there you sort yourself out within the Accra metropolis.
Okay, so we finally got a hotel, and they said if we can wait till 12:30, I will log out. How is that? Someone will sign out by 12:30. So Beatrice and I are going to go down and wait, and then meanwhile we have a pilot. What is that?
8 p.m.
8 p.m. people. So this is our
8 p.m. You see, this is Tema here.
No, it's because of the position of the camera. That's why you're not dark. At 8 p.m.
8 p.m.
8 p.m. Okay. 8 p.m.
Yeah,
right?
time, yeah.
Why is that your name? Why?
Because it's a street name.
Oh, okay.
We are mingling with boys. We are plenty. We have Jar Kingdom.
Okay.
So everybody is having Jar, including his nickname.
Okay.
So my own is 8 p.m. The 8 p.m. If you hear 8 p.m. for your mind inside, if you not say everything is time.
Right.
Time is money.
So that's 8 p.m.
So that's why, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So nice to meet you.
Okay, nice
We're
to
gonna
meet
call
you.
you if we need to go somewhere.
Any place.
In the morning, can you leave your house very
Any
early?
place.
Okay.
I mean, unless you don't call me. If you
Okay.
call me any place, I didn't know. Like I will drop
to the
my
train station.
Okay.
wherever.
Oh, okay. You, my team.
Okay.
So 8 p.m. brought us to this hotel, and he said he never been in there before, so we should go check it out. If we like it, we can take it. And yeah, we checked it. The first impression was cool. So yeah, the only issue is we have to wait for someone to sign out by 12 because we got there earlier than that. So yeah, perfect for us because we need to go out and explore the city of Tema and show you guys some of the things they have here in the city of Tema. But right now, as you can see, it's raining, and then so we have to just hang in there and then do other things before the rain. After the rain, we're gonna go out. There's a lot of things we're gonna do in Tema. We're gonna eat the street foods. We're gonna have we're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna just do a lot of things, show you guys around Tema. So but right now I'm going to show you guys our room. So I'm going to show you guys, give you guys a mini room tour, a hotel room tour, and how much we got it for. And in case you're looking to use the train to go to Accra, don't forget that they have a terminal at what is a place called Community One in Tema. And a detailed video will be up here tomorrow, the train video itself, where we got the train, how much we paid how much we paid for a ticket, and how many stops and where the stops, where are the stations, the terminals, Okay, all of these ones will be coming in my next video. So like I said, you can head down to Beatrice Blue at Chibong and check her out. She have amazing videos. So yeah, this is our room. And how much did we pay? Should I leave it on the screen? Okay, don't worry. We paid 180 cedis for this room. It has air conditioner, it has other things. But getting up this morning to take our bath, we realized that water was not running. So I hope you understand. Yeah, it was fair. It was okay. The customer service is great. Just so you know, they do not have a restaurant. And from this place to the rail station, it cost us just 5 cedis when we're leaving via Uber. Because when we checked it and we see that it was too close to the rail station, we didn't want to bother the young man. 8 p.m. We didn't want to call him to come back here and take us to the rail for 5 cedis. So even if we were going to tip him, it was not going to make any sense. So we just left using Uber to go to the rail station. But before the rail video, yeah, I have other videos. Though the train video is going to come up next after this one. So do wait to hit the subscription button. English can be difficult sometimes, especially when you are tired. If you can relate to that, comment down below. So this is just a tip of the iceberg of what you'll be seeing in Tema in my subsequent videos. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video and that I will see you in my next one. Bye.